In this video, you will find out 5 reasons why you should invest in Bitcoin as soon as possible. Chances are that you have most of your entire net worth and money in a bank account. The second that you deposit money in a bank account, you become the creditor, which means you borrow your money to the bank, and the bank can do whatever they want. They can lend out your money to basically anyone multiple times of what you deposit. Imagine you borrow basically your entire money to one friend, even if it's your best friend. Would you really borrow your entire net worth to one friend? Chances are definitely not. That's why it's important to have at least some Bitcoin, which you control on your wallet and no one can take it away from you. You own it, you control it, and no one can take it, as long as you keep your private key safe in your wallet, which we will cover in another video. Reason number 2, why you should invest in Bitcoin as soon as possible. Freedom. When you have Bitcoin, you truly have freedom. When you want to spend your money from your bank account, the bank can censor or stop transactions. The bank can actually stop you from sending money, or they can reverse a transaction. If you own Bitcoin and invest in Bitcoin, you can use the Bitcoin to help out anyone in the world. No one can stop any transactions, and the transactions that you make cannot be reversed. Now, this is what I call true freedom, control, and power. Reason number 3 of why you should invest in Bitcoin as soon as possible. When you use Bitcoin to send value, you have lower transaction costs and also fast transactions. Sending money from one country to another can be very expensive and can take 1 day, 2 days, or even many days. With Bitcoin, it takes maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, up to maybe 20, 30 minutes, and the transaction is approved on the blockchain and confirmed. It cannot be stopped, and it's cheap because the transaction costs are mostly $1, $2, maybe sometimes $5. Reason number 4 of why you should invest in Bitcoin as soon as possible. Bitcoin is an amazing inflation hedge. The issue with the fiat system is the fiat system can be inflated to an infinite amount. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is limited to 21 million Bitcoins. Right now, there are 19.6 million Bitcoin in circulation, and by 2140, all Bitcoins will be mined. The Bitcoin inflation rate is predictable to almost the exact minute. About every 10 minutes, one block of transactions is completed, and 6.25 Bitcoins are coming into existence. Before May 2020, this was double the amount, and next year, in April 19th, this is getting cut in half again. This is called Bitcoin halving. This means until 2140, the Bitcoin inflation rate is getting smaller and smaller and smaller, and Bitcoin is getting more scarce every single time. Reason number 5 why you should invest in Bitcoin as soon as possible. Because I know the space inside and out. I believe that crypto is the best asset class in the world, and that specifically Bitcoin has the highest risk reward out of any investment in the world. The Bitcoin adoption rate is growing every single day, and very soon we will have multiple Bitcoin spot and Bitcoin futures ETFs. This opens the floodgates of massive capital to flow into Bitcoin from all the big institutions around the world. This leads to a massive price increase in Bitcoin and in the market cap. The only last question is, how much Bitcoin do you need to live your dream life and to be excited, comfortable, and secure? Comment down below your feedback. I will try to answer as many comments as possible on this video. I would appreciate if you give the video a like and also subscribe and activate the ring bell. I can't wait to see you in my next YouTube video. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and peace out.